Concordia University, definitely a strong program to get your PhD in. Again, the flexibility is there, and it's also very straightforward or constructed in a way that gives you a good background or a good foundation before you hit into your dissertation. And then the committee members are very good. So it's a very good college, and I'd highly recommend it to anyone who's looking at a PhD, especially if they're looking at online. My name is James Hodovan. I'm now a graduate of Concordia-Chicago. I'm a cardiac sonographer by trade. I was trained in the Navy and did 20 years in the Navy, and I work at a university hospital in Portland, Oregon at OHSU, and I continue to do cardiac ultrasounds and take care of patients that way. I love education, and I've already done a bachelor's degree and a master's degree, and both of those were completely online as well. So I wanted to continue my education and came across the Concordia University Health and Human Performance program, and I liked what it had, so I applied for it. My degrees were all online, and this one as well, and they were asynchronous, which means you don't have to be online with all the other students, which when you work full-time, it's very easy to do an asynchronous program versus a synchronous. So the PhD will allow me, working at a university hospital, to become a researcher, which I already do half my time in research already. I'm not a primary investigator, and this will allow me to do that. The other thing that will allow me is our university has been talking about starting a college program for ultrasound, and I could become a dean or put together the program as well. I love teaching, so one of my main goals is to become a teacher, and that again is where the PhD comes in. That teaching, you get to learn when you teach, and I've always liked doing that, and I think this would be a great opportunity now. The dissertation part is when they really help out. You get a good committee together and they go through the process with you, and it really allows you to become a better researcher, and also how the program is meant to be. Before, I assisted a lot of cardiologists with research projects, and I'm always I'm a part of a team, but I've never had to lead the team. And this allows me to now put together maybe my own research project and lead a team and come across something that might be vital to a particular disease process. But then one thing about Concordia University Chicago that is very ideal is they have a tuition guarantee. So when you start with your program, whatever the tuition was at that time stays the same throughout the entire process. Doesn't matter how long you take, so that you can actually calculate how much money you will need. And that is, you don't have to worry about, oh, what's the tuition going to be next year? It's a guarantee. It doesn't change, so it gives a great planning on your financials later on.